Okay, for the 216B, it's as simple as this to change over to our single point attachment. Normally the machine comes with 3 form tool blocks that are bolted on the head. Step 1 is to remove these tool blocks. Now the next step is we're going to bolt on the single point attachment. This bolts on the face right here. The next portion will be when we have 2 gearboxes for form tool, it's the low speed, and we're going to be going high speed for flange facing or single pointing on the higher speed gearbox. Installing the 3/4 inch drive pneumatic motor. 1 bolt to tighten down. So the next step to talk about with this is if you are just facing off, we have the compound at 0, but you have the capabilities to go on angles all the way up to 37.5 degrees. Okay, now we got our compound here set at 30 degrees. We're going to go ahead and cut this 14-inch, 1.125" wall chrome pipe. When we want to go in and axially feed for the amount of cut we're going to take, we can just use our feed handle back here. It's 2300ths per tick mark or 83 thousandths per revolution. Okay, now we're all set up. We're going to make this last operation, turn on the valve and pull in our dead man switch or make our cut. All right, so that finishes our cut with a single point on the 216. That's how easy it is to switch it over from form tool. You could do your flange facing, everything with that on this one project up to 36 inch. Look down here, this is our chips at the end. Nice gold color. See you later.